Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. Email Maestros. Today we are delving into the art of crafting and sending emails using Mailchimp in 2024. Whether you are a business owner, marketer, or just curious about email strategies, join me for a step-by-step guide on writing compiling emails. So guys, let's get started. So before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you have the full information. So guys, the first thing that I will need you to do is to head up to mailchimp.com, as you can see it right here. Click on the first link and log in inside of your account by clicking on the login button. After we logged into our account, we simply have to go to the dashboard, as you can see right here. And now to make any emails, we simply have to go right there and click on create. After we clicked on create, there is 5 options. There is email, automations, website, landing page, and creative assistant. For now, we are going with email, so let's click on it. And here, there is 3 types of email that we can go for. There is the regular email, plain text, and template. So, for the regular email, it is basically create an email. So keep your subscribers engaged by sharing your latest news, promoting a line of products, or announcing an event. So this is basically the regular email. For the plain email, keep things simple and personal with a text-only email, no images, fancy styling, or embedded hyperlinks. And there is this template one, which is basically start with one of their templates, then make it your own. So these are basically the 3 types of emails that you can create within Mailchimp. So in our case, we are going to go with regular, and then we go with others. So here we are going to give an internal email name. So here, let's name it newsletter, begin, and here we go. So here we are going to choose one of these templates to start with as our template. So for me, I'm going with this one. So I'm going with that one, which is the white one, and here I am. First thing first is I'm going to add my logo. This is 100% the first thing that you have to check, is to change every random logo in here with your logo. So I'm going here to set the logo, and I'm going to use, for example, PayPal logo. So let's consider ourselves that we are the PayPal owners. So what we should do is to actually start using the color of PayPal and some text that can be from PayPal. So here we have this text that we need to change its color. So here I'm going to use, for example, blue as in PayPal. So I'm going to grab the PayPal color palette. So PayPal color palette. Here we go. Let's try to get the colors. So yeah, let's try to get like the exact colors. So we have here this picture that's explained exactly. So we have this blue. I'm going to use it in here. So let's go here, paste it, and yeah, that's the color, exactly the color. So we just have to remove this one. Let's see here, and yeah, this is exactly the text. Here I'm going to copy this one for now, and I'm going to paste it for instead of this text. So this is this text color, and yeah, now we are keeping the same style. So here we have changed even the bottom logo, which is good as well. Let's just make it here smaller than the top logo, and this one as well, let's make it a little bit smaller, not to take the whole space. So here I'm going to say, for example, new announcement, something like that. And here we are changing our privacy policy. Check the picture below, or something like that. So here we have made these things. So now for that, I'm going to keep it, and now we need to get a picture. Let's go to PayPal privacy policy, and I'm going to take a screenshot of it. So for now, I'm just gonna like take a random screenshot or something like that. So here we go. Going to copy this PayPal, and yeah, let's go back here. Let's add it by clicking on upload image, and let's search for PayPal PNG. Yep, this one. Let me just go ahead add it again, or let's go quick access. I guess this one will do the job. So yep, here it goes. Here for this add button, we need it to be again the same color, so I'm going to use the same color that we have used before. So let's go here. For the stroke, I'm not gonna add any border, so yeah, I don't want any border, but I'm going to add the button color itself to be like the text in general. So this is good, this is exactly what I want. For these icons, I want to change the color as well from dark to colors. So yeah, let's keep it as it is for now, like that. And here the copyrights, we have to keep the year exactly, list description and F. Okay, this is perfectly good. Now to remove this late here, this bottom is like misses, or this picture of Mailchimp, we need to upgrade our plan to the premium plan. So for now, I'm just gonna keep it in white, so it doesn't really matter. Here I'm going to remove that, remove this, and yeah, this is exactly if you want email on your browser. This is exactly how I want it to be, so I'm just gonna save it and preview it, of course. So let's preview it to see how it's gonna look in our email. And this is how it's gonna look in the email. So if you click here on preview, this is exactly how it's gonna show for people in their email, which is pretty decent. Now you can simply do the thing that you did here with other types of email that we saw at the beginning. So you can do the same thing with plain text, template, or any kind of other themes or types of emails that they might have in the future. So here let's go for plain text, for example. Here obviously we just have to have only text, so we don't have to get any fancy template. So here let's go like that. And yeah, so here we're gonna send to someone, entire audience, 20 recipients, everyone in your audience will receive this email. Click on next here, and basically we will be ready to go after we create the email. So just put here the subject, here the text that will be previewed, and simply click on next, and the email will be sent to every single person. This is like a preview of the email itself. This is how it's gonna look like. But in general, yeah, the plain text is gonna be just text, so it's nothing fancy about it, nothing very good. But in general, this is how you can send emails with Mailchimp and how to create emails and send them in the first place. So it's pretty easy, pretty straightforward. As I said, you simply have to go to create, choose one of these three types of emails, and then simply after you finish your creativity with the template that they gave you, simply click on the send button, and all of these emails will be sent to your audience. So guys, with that being said, that was it. See you guys in the next tutorial.